Okay, so we are stuck and we are out of ammo, and this is really bad. You can see we're out of grenades. Actually, I have a few spare in my pocket for safekeeping. Let's see. I have 4 spare bullets. How many bullets do you have, partner?
I found a way out.
I know.
It's lost.
But how many bullets do you have?
My gun's full.
Full? Okay. Sorry guys, we got a bad view. But we were going over here for survival. Oh, a huge oak tree. Come on, partner.
Greg, give me grenades.
Yes. But we must go. Yeah. Get ready for launch.
Hide. Don't let see you.
Blast us.
Grab grenades.
Get ready for a grenade launch.
I'm going after.
But we're gonna go on an adventure. Going over here in the wild.
I'll stay back here in the camp.
Okay. You can see that we're stuck. We have no place to go. And now we're stuck and we have no place to go. Most importantly, we have nowhere to go. And we're about to die in survival. So if anyone,
Collect grenades.
you know what to do. Sorry, I can't catch. It's blasting grenades.
Can we get that door open?
Let's see.
I'll throw a grenade.
Will this work? No,
I'll try with the grenade.
it didn't work.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't work.
Wait.
Well, that wasn't the best idea. Well, we'll take those shots, and this might be the end of the journey. So, if you know what to do, please comment.
Found a base.
What the? This was never here. I didn't know. The target practice.
Hit him in the head.
I'm gonna hit that guy in the head. I missed. So, this is our new base. Stay tuned. This is our last video on our adventure. And so, bye-bye.